This week we'll start our computer programming unit using Scratch. Today we'll program a hide and seek game. On the home page, slide down to Technology. Click Technology. On the Online Tech page, slide down and click on 4th grade. Click 4th grade. Today's Google Classroom assignment says Programming in Scratch. We're going to create a hide and seek game. This is the first lesson in our Scratch unit. Continue to watch this video lesson. When the video is over, click on the link Hide and Seek on Scratch. Click the link. Do you watch We Bare Bear? This game is a hide and seek game with some of the characters like Ice Bear, Panda, or Grizz. This is Scratch. We'll be using Scratch over the next few weeks. These are the coding blocks. There are different categories of coding blocks, like motion blocks, or looks blocks, or even events and control blocks. In the middle of the screen, this is where we'll do our coding. And then on the side of the screen, we have our pre-made game, the characters, and trees. Below that, you'll see the characters, Ice Bear, Panda, or Grizz. You'll also see tree 1, 2, and 3. To start our game, which character is going to be doing the hiding and seeking? Will it be Ice Bear, Panda, or Grizz? Select your character now. My hide and seek character will be Grizz. You'll know that you're coding for Grizz because a shadow of Grizz will be at the top corner. Now I'm ready to code. Coding starts with an event. Do you see the Events category? It's in yellow. Click Events. The event to start the game is going to be when the flag is clicked. Click and hold when the flag is clicked and drag it over to the white space in the middle of the screen. This will set the game to start when we click on the green flag at the top. When I click the green flag at the top, nothing will happen because I haven't started coding yet. I just have an event that says when the flag is clicked. Let's start coding. Since this is a hide and seek game, we're going to need to set the score. Go to the variable blocks. They're all the way at the bottom in dark orange. Before we begin, we want to show the score. Do you see the score button? Beside it is a checkbox. Click the checkbox. You'll see the score appear in the upper corner. Now we want to set the score to 0. Click and hold and drag Set Score to 0 and connect it to when the flag is clicked. When the flag is clicked, the score will go back to 0. Now we want to do some hiding and seeking with our characters. Let's start with a forever block. We want our character to forever hide and show, or hide and seek. Click on the control blocks. These are the lighter orange blocks on the side. Do you see the forever block? Click and hold on the forever block and set it below Set Score to 0. Inside of this forever block, we want to start our code. We want the character to move all around the screen in a random position, we want to go to the motion blocks. These are the blue blocks at the top. Click Motion. In the motion blocks, you can see that we can move and turn. One of the blocks says, Go to Random Position. Click and hold on Go to Random Position and drag it over and put it inside the Forever block. Now watch what happens when I hit the flag. Whoa, Grizz is moving all over the screen. Click Stop. Now we want to set up our game of hide and seek. We want Grizz to first hide. Go to the Looks category. Slide down. Do you see Hide? Click and hold and drag it and put it underneath the Go To block and inside the Forever block, right there. It says now he's going to go to a random position and hide. We don't want him to hide all the time. We want him to show. How long do we want him to hide? Let's go to Control. Let's hide for 1 second. The very first block says wait 1 second. Click and hold and drag. Put it inside the Forever block underneath Hide. He's going to hide for 1 second. Now we want him to show. Do you remember where that is? It's under the Looks blocks. Click Looks. 2 fingers to slide down. Now click Show. You're putting Show underneath the Wait 1 second block. There's one more thing that we want to do. How long do we want him to be shown on our screen? That's another control block. Click the light orange control blocks. And we want to wait another 1 second. Let's take a look at our code. We've written, when we hit the flag, it's going to change the score to 0. Forever, we want Grizz to go to a random position. That means it's going to pop up on our screen in different places. We want him to hide for 1 second. Then we want him to show for 1 second. Let's give it a try to see what we have. Click the flag. Do you see Grizz popping up every second and hiding every second? If not, check your code. Click the stop sign to stop the code. To make our game a little bit more interesting, when I click on Grizz, I want to score a point. Let's go back to the event blocks. Click Events. Do you see the event that says when this sprite is clicked? It's the third one down. Click and hold on when this sprite is clicked and drag it out. What's going to happen whenever I click on Grizz? Maybe I want him to say something. Go to Looks. The very first look says, say hello for 2 seconds. Click and hold and drag and connect it to when this sprite is clicked. Maybe I want him to say, yeah, for 2 seconds. Click hello, then hit backspace. Type in, yeah, or hello, or maybe even your name. How long will it display? Change the 2 seconds to 1 second. There's one more thing I want to code for my game. And that's where we started, with the variables. These are the dark orange coding blocks. Click Variables. When I click on Grizz, I want to score a point. So I want to say change score by 1. Click and hold change score by 1 and drag it over and connect it to say yeah for 1 second. This now says whenever I click on Grizz, he's going to say something for 1 second, and it's also going to give me a point. Let's play our game. Click the flag. In my screen, every time I see Grizz, I want to click on him. I've already got 2 points. I have to be fast. Click Stop. I've scored 4 points. To start over, hit the flag. To make the game easier or harder, change the wait blocks. I could wait 2 seconds and he'll be on the screen a little bit longer. Or I could change the 1 second to 0.5 seconds. 0.5 is much faster. It's a half a second. Now watch how fast Grizz moves on our screen. You have to be very fast to click on Grizz to score your points. To slow him down, change the 0.5 to 2 seconds. Hit stop, then the flag. He'll be on our screen for 2 seconds. This will make our game much easier. See if you can code for our hide and seek game today. Good luck with this assignment, and I'll see you next week.